Hola muchachos, Joel here, and I'm just looking at this beautiful, beautiful home. It's only about 1.5 kilometers from Playa Marsella. Look at the outstanding view from the deck. You can see the Pacific Ocean, absolutely gorgeous. It's a short walk, maybe 12 to 20 minutes down the hill in a private driveway. One of the best features of this home is the master bedroom. We're just going to have a look inside the master bedroom. And right here we've got a full king-size bed with a full ensuite. But the best thing that the owner has told me is the view. I'm sitting on the corner of the bed, and this is the view of the infinity pool and the amazing ocean. Outside of the master bedroom, we have a very, very well put together living room. We've got a very modern kitchen with all the modern amenities, double sink, 6-burner stove, stainless steel appliances, a big pantry. One of the extra features of this home is that it has an office, which is just off of the kitchen, and there's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and each bedroom has its own air conditioning. The house runs on solar, and it's also connected to the grid. There's a washer inside and another half bathroom. We'll go back through the kitchen. There's pot lights in the ceiling. There's amazing landscape. The infinity pool is absolutely stunning. The house is situated maybe about 20 minutes from San Juan del Sur, down one of the main beach road accesses. Through the back of the property, we've got all of the water functions. And in the back of the property, we've got a little utility shed. There's almost an acre of land here. But one of the great features that I like about this property is there's a guest house. The bedroom is under construction, but the rest of the building has its own full main bath and living space. So if you're looking for an in-law suite, this is where you can be. And in this suite, there's, of course, a full bathroom with a really nice tiled washer and shower. Lots of vegetation to keep the area cool. There's parking for your vehicle. There's extra parking down below where you can see the motorcycle. Just an absolutely gorgeous property. Well landscaped, phenomenal view, modern construction, air conditioning, solar, well put together home. Everything that I've seen, talked to the owner, looked around, quite a remarkable property. Just going to take a quick look at the front of the house. I'm just going to go up and show you the front of the house. Absolutely stunning. Look at the beautiful vegetation. Stay tuned for more information about this property on bvnnica.com. We'll tell you more about all of the amenities that this property has. Hola everybody. I just wanted to show you where the property that I just did the video on, this is the beach that you have access to. The beach is maybe about a kilometer walk, as I had mentioned in the previous video, maybe about between 12 and 20 minutes walk down the hill. The great part about Playa Marsella is it's almost a private beach during the week. lots of Nicos and Nicas on the weekend, but this is what you get to see. We've got absolutely amazing to the south of us. In behind we've got an island, which is absolutely incredible. And over to my left, we've got this other great feature. Big waves, lots of privacy, not too far from your home. But the best part is if we look over here, we've got 2 beach cantina bars, and they're fabulous. You can get yourself some Tonya. And we also have another unique feature about this area. We've got a freshwater river, but don't swim in the river because I just found out there's alligators in there. But honestly, folks, this is such a great property and it's close to such an amazing beach, semi-private, such a fabulous location. And for less than $300,000 US, you get all this. So please contact us at bvnica.com and we'd be happy to give you way more information.